Hi everyone, this is Sarah James here from JessieJamesBeads.com. Happy Sunday. I hope everyone, if you're dealing with the snow, or if you're experiencing the snow, I should say rather, I hope if you're experiencing the snow up here in the Northeast that you are someplace safe and warm and hopefully cozy at your house like I am right now. I said I was going to come on at 7 p.m. tonight. It's just pushing 7:15. But yeah, I just want to thank you for bearing with me running a little bit late today. The roads out here in eastern Pennsylvania are very, very snowy. It is accumulating fast, which I'm kind of okay with because if it's going to be cold, it might as well snow, in my opinion. This month has been a really, really sunny one. For Jessie James Beads. We were out in Tucson for the whole Tucson shenanigans, lots of beads and gems and all of that at the beginning of the month. And then I was on vacation with friends in Mexico and I just got back last week. So it's been a while since we've hung out here on the Facebooks, and I'm really glad that I get to spend my evening with you guys, and I'm so glad that you've popped by to say hi to me. Hi Marisol, hi Carol. Hi Fern, hi Janine, yay, wonderful. Thanks so much guys for coming on by. So the premise of today's show is a very special unboxing of the Magical Mystery Bead Box for February. This box it's a good one. We have a new group on Facebook. If you are a member of, or if you're a subscriber to Magical Mystery Bead Box, please do search the Magical Mystery Bead group on Facebook. It's a really awesome group that we have here where people are sharing the designs that they're making with the mystery box, and just really wonderful, supportive community like we have here at Jessie James. And I'm just very, very grateful that everyone's so nice and supportive of each other's designs. So that's there. Definitely something to check out. And I have a deal for you guys. If you're not yet a Magical Mystery Bead Box subscriber, we have $10 off a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription with the code SNOWDAY because it's snowy. And Snow Day calls for a nice time to spend some time indoors, perhaps with your beads, perhaps in your craft space. Just hopefully something to keep your hands and your mind busy while we are inside our little cabins, wintertime. Hi Sue, hi Melanie, hi Patty. Yes, Patty, it has been a while and it is good to see you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Let's take a look at this box. I feel like I have so much to share with you. We have Pantone stuff also. That'll happen maybe tomorrow, but for now, let's have a look at what's inside the Magical Mystery Bead Box from February. I'm pumped about it. My little bead mat and put it down here. I will flip the camera around. Let's open up this box. Okay. You like my flowers? I just picked these up from Trader Joe's. Aren't those cheerful? Nice to have a little bit of life inside the house when it's snowy and cold outside. All right, so here is our Magical Mystery Bead Box. I am about to slice her open. Let's see what's inside. All right. Okay. So inside, let's dive into this action. We have got our February box theme is Marilyn Monroe, diamonds are a girl's best friend. So if you can guess from the theme, this box is going to be very sparkly. And here is a list of everything that's inside. So we're gonna go through everything. I don't need to read this off to you right now, but you can see right from here that Magical Mystery Bead Box, we are really getting a lot of stuff in here. I tallied up the value, the retail value of everything that's in this box. It's $107 retail, which is nuts. So we really love curating these items for you, and I'm looking forward to just ripping into this box. So everything that we do, Magical Mystery Bead Box, is custom curated, exclusive to our subscribers only. So if you are a Magical Mystery Bead Box subscriber, please do tell the other fans that are not yet one how cool these boxes are. We have so much fun putting them together. Like, this is a complete labor of love project between myself, Stacy, and Jen on the design team, and Danielle does our graphics for the boxes. So really cool Marilyn design right there. And get a little coupon. And let's get into this box. All right. So we've got a Jesse James exclusive design elements mix in pink. This is the Gentlemen Prefer Blondes mix. Then I've got a Some Like It Hot design elements mix in black. Next we have the 7-Year Itch. You know that movie cover where Marilyn's wearing that gorgeous white dress? That was our inspiration behind this one. The white 7-Year Itch. Next we have, ooh, this is so fun, a little tassel set. Let's take a look at these tassels. We've got our beautiful, someone called these Ballet Tutu tassels. I like that name for them. Beautiful little floral tassels. Everything is in pairs so that you can make earrings or just have some symmetrical beading if that's your thing. Of course, it doesn't, symmetry is not a requirement whatsoever. I love asymmetry myself very much. Little bobbly balls, all kinds of cute little tassels in there. The tassel set right there. Let's see what's next. Ooh, got a cage crystal set. These are fun. So there's one, let me open these up so you guys can get a really good peek at them. Okay, in the cage crystal set, there's one big old gargantuan daddy crystal. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I love this so much. As like a singular pendant on a necklace, like maybe a long navel duster necklace or a short choker. Really bold, so beautiful. So we got the big daddy crystal. We've got 2 mommy size crystals in gold and 2 baby crystals in silver. So these are metal cages, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, with a floating Rivoli crystal. The crystal does not have a hole through it. It's meant to just float freely through your cage when you string it. Shelly has a question. She says, when does March's box go out? That's a great question, Shelly. So our cutoff to sign up for the current month is the 7th. So the last day to sign up, if you want to get the March box, you need to sign up by the 7th, and then the March box will ship out on March 15th. And if there for some reason is a delay, we will always let you guys know, but that is standard practice. Sign up before the 7th, ships out on the 15th. Next, we've got, ta-da! Swarovski by Jesse James Beads. Look at all these pretty little Swarovskis in there. Gosh, nothing shines like a Swarovski crystal, I'll tell you what. Look at that beautiful little set. 2 colors of pink, crystal, super usable, wonderful, wonderful Swarovski bicone beads. Love this set. Love them. You guys like it too? Hi, Jody. Hi, Eve. Thanks for joining tonight, guys. A little snow day unboxing session from home. Okay, next we've got this really fun design kit. So in here, this is a little project that we have for you. You get Bead-A-Lawn slide connectors, and I thank Bead-A-Lawn very, very much for providing these to us. Bead-A-Lawn is one of our absolute favorite companies to work with. Their staff is amazing. Their products are fantastic. We're neighbors with them. They're in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. We're in Bethlehem. So we really, really love working with our friends over there at Bead-A-Lawn. So these slide connectors are really fantastic for all sorts of jewelry projects. But what we have for you is a project that incorporates cup chain. So in your set here, in this box, Magical Mystery Bead Box February, our subscribers receive 2 18-inch pieces of beautiful Preciosa cup chain. So our intention for this is for you guys to string the cup chain in these slide connectors. My friend Candy Cooper taught me this trick a couple years ago. These slide connectors are perfect for cup chain. You could put other things in them too, ball chain or fabric, or maybe a peyote stitched project, but a really, really fast, quick and easy, fast, furious bracelet design or earring design is to use these little findings and slide these cup chain on inside. And our fans have been saying that our subscribers to the Magical Mystery Bead Box have said that they really loved receiving these little projects. So in here you get the 2 18-inch pieces of cup chain, which is a great amount of cup chain to work with, and these little slide connectors. Also inside the project packet, you get 2 kidney bean ear wires, which are my favorite ear wires to work with ever. I love them. It's great. They're great for creating simple earring designs. And our project for you with the ear wires is to attach these little cage beads with them. And there are 2 project video tutorials on our blog showing how to do these little projects that we have here. So isn't that fun? This is just like a whole big pile of fun right here on this table. Is there more? There is. Also included inside are 2 pieces of our Jessie James custom beaded chain reaction. So this chain is available on the website for $4.99 a piece. It's 18 inches in length. This is custom designed by our design staff. And the stuff that the chain that you can find online, there's all different shapes of glass and all different kinds of chain lengths. So if you are not familiar with this line, you can search chain reaction at the search bar on Jessie James Beads. And you can see more styles. Oh, my dad is here. Hi, Jessie. Hi, Dad. What'd he say? Oh, I'm amazed at the boxes that you put together. So innovative. I'm a proud daddy. Well, thanks, Dad. You know what? It takes a village. And I got to tell you what, Stacy on our design team is instrumental with coming up with our, with creating the mixes that go into these items. And Jen is the one that helps pack them all up. And we all, we all throw ideas together to come up with our themes. Really, it is a whole team effort. And that is this is the final result, man. Teamwork. Team. Together, everyone achieves more. And that is what we are here at Jessie James Beads. We are a big team. And we consider you guys an extension of our team because your ideas, we hear them. We love to hear from you. If you have any suggestions, please send them our way. This is a whole family operation right here. We all need each other. So we've got some really, really cool bead mixes. Gosh, what's in here? Oh my gosh, I don't even want to tear it up because it looks so pretty in the package. Wow, it looks like there's some check beads in there. There's little check hearts. We've got these flower charms, some other cage beads, super, super funky hexagonal, these very geometric acrylic beads. Again, guys, I suggest search the Magical Mystery Bead group on Facebook, and you can see some designs that our subscribers have made with these beads. Hey, Sue. Hi, Mary. Hi, Melly. Ah, wonderful. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this one out just to give you a little bit of an understanding of all the stuff that goes into like these little bead mixes. And again, they're available only when you do the Magical Mystery Bead group. I'm sorry, the Magical Mystery Bead Box. Really cute little charms, tassels, all kinds of little beads that can be used either just together with this set, or maybe you're going to mix them up with some stuff that you have at home. But I'm just so in love with what we've put together here. So this is February, guys. This is the February box. The March box, if you want to sign up, the deadline is March 7th, which is next week. And if you sign up before Tuesday, enter that code SNOWDAY with a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription plan, and you'll get $10 off. And it's free shipping because we do free shipping for orders over 100. So that's a double bonus. Okay, so that was really fun. I missed you guys, so it's nice to be back at it with you here. I hope everyone has had a great weekend and a nice, peaceful, relaxing Sunday. I am about to clean these beads up and do a little bit of craft space organizing. This has been a total Marie Kondo weekend at my house. Just organizing and purging the things that aren't needed. I went to Green Drop today and dropped off a bunch of old clothes that I don't wear anymore, donating to charity. So feels like a nice cleansing weekend, ready to start the week out strong tomorrow. And from the weather conditions, it looks like it'll be a work from home day. It is snowy. We're supposed to get like 8 inches here in Pennsylvania, which is crazy. So, guys, I will probably see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I've got Pantone beads to share with you. We have got all 10 colors are available on the site, and they are so highly pigmented and bright and rich and amazing. And I have them here at home to share with you. So should we have a work from home day, Jessie James Beads tomorrow, I'll be here back at ya. And I'll be here back at you, and we'll share some Pantone beads, and we'll talk about some upcoming events. So have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for sharing some of your Sunday with me. We love you so very, very much, and we're grateful for everything that you are. Thank you for being here. Have a great night, guys. Bye.